Welcome to the Principles of Flight. Principles of Flight. And today we have paper airplanes. So this one is just your normal, everyday paper airplane. So it just flies like a normal paper airplane.
I wouldn't have played you.
Benny, stop talking. But I thought it could probably make that paper airplane better. So, after watching a YouTube video, I have here the Arrowhead, which is a specially designed paper airplane for maximum performance. I can't make one of these without a video because that's just how complicated they are. You gotta fold things and then you gotta put it in little pockets and yeah. So this one is very hard to build. So it flies, as you'd expect, much better when you angle your wings correctly. So, but I can't just pass that off as my science project because I just some internet origami. So this is what I have came up with from one of, over here, these. A regular old, I don't want to say trifold, but like quad fold paper airplane. Not sure how many times you fold it. So I went and looked at what makes this one that I threw down the stairs different than this one. That one. Okay. So obviously, it's a lot shorter. It's really short and stubby. So I tried that, and if you just shorten it without doing anything else, it flies like this. That is with maximum force. So I took a little penny and put it in here. This has been shortened off. If you look, I shortened the nose a little too, but I took this whole section off and I lifted this thing. So without the penny, it flies terribly, but with the penny, it flies better than that.
Oh, went right up the stairs.
Good job.
And if you try and do that with this one, it goes.
Oh.
Sponsored by Benny's Decals.
Benny, no. Can't just randomly. Okay, I can cut that part. So I don't really think it flies as good as this thing, but it's not that much easier. I haven't really solved it. I made it fly. I made a regular paper airplane fly better. I didn't really reduce the work at all. That thing that probably flies better if you know how to angle the wings. So, what actually makes the smaller paper airplane fly better? Big paper airplane, tiny paper airplane without the penny, and then there's the one with the penny up there. And then I got this one. So it flies a lot faster because it's got to bring a lot less tail with it. Like this thing has this great big huge tail that.
So what would the tail cause?
Drag.
Yeah.
So this thing reduces the drag. But as you can see with this one, if you have no weight on your nose, then it just goes right there.
So you need the weight
Of the penny. But that's what this thing has. It just has a lot of excessive paper weight up here. Not excessive, but like if you unfold this a little, can't really unfold this because it's all sealed together. But you've got this little pocket in here that causes extra weight. Then that's over this, and that's inside this pocket, which causes more weight. And then if you look at the back, there's barely any weight at all. That's just to steer the plane. So that's also pretty cool that if I change where the thing is, it steers strangely. That was with the completely lopsided, so you don't do that or else your plane will crash. Like if I push them down like this, see what happens. I haven't tried this.
So
Bend
by
your forehead.
Oh, I was looking at this.
So by manipulating the wings?
Yeah, it can draw differently. So that's like that's like if you're walking and you're turning this way. I'm not exactly sure if this is true. Then if you put your arm out, you'll turn more.
Don't
I
hit
don't
me in
think
the
that
head.
makes any sense, but
Don't hit me in the head with
So
one.
what's the takeaway from all of your designs here? How are they using the forces of flight?
well,
In a summary.
Well, to add weight, I added the penny up front. To reduce drag, I snipped this thing down. And to keep lift, well, it obviously has wings. But see, if you had no wings, then watch, it would have no lift.
I can go grab it.
Okay, that one had wings. But if you just made one without any wings, then it would have absolutely no lift.
So in all of your designs that you did throughout this unit, what would you say was your favorite?
Maybe the hovercraft.
Yeah, the hovercraft was pretty cool.
And thrust is just from your horse.
No.
Whoa!
Don't hit me in the head with the cane. Which one again? I just wanna.
And that is Science with Jebby.
I just wanna point
Thanks,
something
Jeb.
out on